How to fix Google Maps app not talking on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Maps app not talking on Android phone. First, just open settings and then go to apps and apps again and go to Google Maps. And now just click force stop here and go to permissions, enable all of those here and then go to storage, clear cache. Now just go back to Google Maps and click on your profile here and then go to settings and scroll down until you find this one, navigation settings, and as you see here you can manage Google Maps voice, and here just enable all of those, play voice over Bluetooth and all of those here, and you can test sound if you want.
This is what it will sound
And you
like
can
when
change it
navigating
here,
with
and
Google
that's
Maps.
it. Your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.